C'est Reflexion avec Justin Hill au supercross de Paris. So Justin, Paris supercross, last minute call. How is it to jump on a plane with a bike and everything? How is it?
Last minute up against the clock, but we did it. You know, it was fun. About 10 hours before we flew out, I got the call.
Wow.
So yeah, very last minute, but it was honestly I would do it again and again and again. You know, after I've been here now, you know, I've never done an overseas race ever, not one. I did Canada, you know, Toronto on this U.S. circuit. So that's it. So I'm happy. I'll do it again anytime.
Do you think it's a good thing to race? Is it better than training, or I feel like you didn't want to take any risk?
True, yeah. I mean, I had a crash yesterday and got pretty banged up, so I'm like, today was maintain, you know, I was trying not to take any chances, but because, you know, I'm obviously, my contract is U.S., so it's hard to risk the biscuit, as we say, like elsewhere, but it's always good to race. It's always good to get that seat time, the gate time, and everything. And you know, I was just saying I wanted to come back next year with the whole bike, you know, in a crate, and be ready to do it, because it is a very good. It's a simulation. It really is a simulation and mirror image of a supercross in U.S.
And last question: what works better between music? I know you're a good musician. What works better between music and moto with girls?
In my experience, well, see, here's the thing. This is tough. Because people have only known about me playing music for this long, and I've been a motocrosser for this long, so I don't think it adds up, but I would say music.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much, Justin. I hope to see you next year.
Thank you.